So in this video, this question says in a geometry class of 15 boys and 12 girls, the average, which is the arithmetic mean test score of the class, was 81. If the average score of 15 boys was 83, what was the average score of 12 girls? Now, basically, this is a weighted average problem. And now, when we say weighted average, I call it average of averages. You know, we have the average of the 15 boys and the average of the 12 girls, right? And we also have the average that connects the two of them. So that is weighted average. So there's a formula for determining this type of average. So in this case, I would say let the boys be given to be A. Let the boys be A, and let the girls be B. So yeah, so weighted average formula, that's the first thing I will write. Weighted average formula, weighted average in this case is equal to what? Summation of the number of observation for summation x for the boys plus what? Summation x for the what? Girls. Depending on what you are dealing with, I just use A and B has always been the what the formula is based on, over the number of boys, which is A, plus what? Number of what? Girls, which is B. Okay, so let's go back to the question and let's extract the necessary information. In a geometric class of 15 boys, so I will split it in this way. I'll say let the boys, don't forget the boys represent A, so we have the boys here which represent A, and we have the girls here which represent what? B. So in a geometric class of 15 boys, so the number of boys in that class, n, is equal to 15, and the number of girls in that class is what? 12. All right, yeah, the average arithmetic test score of the class was 81. That class, which comprises of the boys and girls, the average score in that case is the weighted average, so I'll put it in between. So the weighted what? Average of the class is given to be what? 81. Okay, so the question now goes for that. If the average score of the 15 boys was 83, so the average score of the 15 boys, that is what? X bar is what? 83. Okay, then what was the average score of the 12 girls? So basically what we are looking for is what? X bar of the what? 12 girls, which is unknown. All right, so we are using this formula, but before we proceed, this is mean. Now you need to recall something. Let me put it here. Recall that what? X bar is equal to what? Summation x over n. That is mean for an ungrouped data. So this implies that summation x is equal to what? X bar times n, which is what? X bar n, right? So that implies that if I want to get the summation of the boys, I can say that was summation x for the boys is what? X bar times what? N. That will give me what is x bar? That is what? 83 times n. That is 83 times what? 15. So let me put it on my calculator. 83 times 15, and that will give me 1245. 1,245. Okay, so that is that. Then let's do for summation x for the girls. That is what? X bar for the girls, we don't know, that's what we are looking for, times the number of girls, that is 12. So this one will give us 12 what? X bar, right? And we have been given the weighted average, which is 81. So that's what we're plugging into this formula. So we can therefore say that the weighted average, which is what? 81, is equal to what? Summation x, right, for the boys, which is 1245. That will be what? 1245 plus what? Summation x for the girls, that is what? 12 what? X bar over number of boys plus number of girls, that is what? 15 plus 12. So that will give us what? 15 plus what? 12. So this will return 1245 plus 12x bar over 15 plus 12. That will give us 27. All right. So over what? 27. And what we are looking for is x bar for the girl. So we have 81. We might be what? 1245 plus what? 12 what? X bar over what? 27. So we can cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we have 1245 plus 12 what? X bar is got to what? 81 times 7. So we have what? 1245 plus what? 12x bar will now be 81 times 7. 81 times 7 will give us 567, right? That's 5 what? Did I say 81 times 7? 81 times 27, pardon me. Right. Okay, 1 to 2 plus 12 what? X bar is got to what? 81. 81 times 27. Okay, so we have 81 times 27. That's 2187. This 2187. So 12x bar will now be what? 2187. This one is coming here, it would be negative minus 1245. Okay, so 2187 minus 1245 will give us 942. So 12x bar is got to 940 what? 2. All right. So divide both side by the coefficient of x bar. So that will give us divided by what? 12. Divided by 12. 12 cancel what? 12. So the average score of the girls will have been 942 divided by 12. And that will give us what? 78. 78.5. So the average score of the 12 girls is, which is what I have here, is 78.5. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And if this video has helped you and you want to give a donation, please look into the next slide on the information on how to give a donation to support what we do. Thank you. See you in the next video.